Alright, cool. What your favourite clothing brand says about you, part 2. And before I start this video is just a whole joke, so no crying in the comment section, and without further ado, let's get into this. Alright, so our first clothing brand we're going to be talking about is Puma. I'm sorry, yeah, but if your favourite clothing brand is Puma, like, you're just a certified sideman. Defo the type of guy to get sent to the shops. Sent to the shops each and every time his friends want something to eat. And trust me, that is a violation and a half. Only real ones know, but if you're the type of guy to get sent to the shops, you are not respected. You're probably not respected because you're out here just wearing Puma, like, come on now. People that wear Puma are the type of people to like walk up to a fat thing and be like, yo, like, where's my hug at? Probably the same place where you bought that dusty ass outfit. Sports Direct in the sideman section. Type of people to turn around and be like, oh yeah, like, I've just been grinding, like that's why my outfits ain't really like popping like that. Like, bro, you've been grinding for like 3 years and all you got to show for it is just some dusty ass Cali weed and a fucking e-scooter. People that wear Puma remind me of that guy from D Block Europe. I don't know his name because he's just such a sideman. So D Block Europe is made up of 2 people. One of them is Young Ads. But who the fuck is this guy? Like, I'm not even joking. Like, D Block Europe is like one of the biggest music groups in the UK. But who the fuck is this guy? Like, I'm not even joking. Like, I have no idea what this guy's name is. Like, I was shocked when I found out that there was another person in D Block Europe. Like, I thought it was just one person. And then I come to find out it's this guy. Like, literally, who is this guy? Probably wears Puma. Probably a sideman. So a little fun fact, the owner of Puma is actually brothers with the owner of Adidas, and if that doesn't scream sideman, I don't know what does. So that's going to be enough for Puma. I feel like I roasted that a bit too much, but we're going to keep it moving. So our next brand we're going to be talking about is Trapstar, and I can't lie, like, people that wear Trapstar are just a different breed of people. Like, these people are just all for the clout, all for the gram, all for the snaps, all for all the wrong reasons, really. People that like Trapstar will fully buy a Trapstar coat just to take pictures facing the wrong way around, just to get the Trapstar logo on the back. Like, bruv, is it really that deep? 99% of people that wear Trapstar, like, have probably never trapped in a day of their life, or probably not even in that environment. Like, they've just finished watching like 3 episodes of Top Boy and they'll walk around like they're Jamie. Like, these are the type of people that would just speak normally, but as soon as the Trapstar comes on, like they'll start coming out with like just bizarre, just slang words.
Yeah, fam, I'm steady, bro. I'm steady with it. Yeah? I'm the steadiest nigga on crypto right now as we speak. Them man, they're unsteady. I'm steady, bro. Trust me. Steady. Trust me.
And they most certainly have a Central C poster in their room. Alright, that's going to be enough for Trapstar. Moving on to the next clothing brand. The next clothing brand we have is Bape. So if you wear Bape, you are probably one of these 3 people. A relatively young Asian person that is like into fashion. Or you're like a 15-year-old hype beast that just watches bare anime. Or you are Robin Williams, and I doubt you're the 3rd one. I can't lie, like, Bape is a cool brand, but with that being said, if you still wear the shark hoodie zipped all the way up like it's still like 2009, you deserve to be executed. Like, I'm not even joking, you actually should. Like, that should be like a crime or something. But what I've noticed about people that wear Bape is like they're just bare quiet, but as soon as you like mention anime, that's it. Like, you can't shut them up. It's like as soon as you mention anime, like, you've triggered like a default setting in their brain, and they just start rambling about fucking Goku and shit. Like, after the conversation, like, you probably develop like a Chinese accent, and you probably know the whole story to Dragon Ball Z.
Hey, blood, check out my new track, man. 是嘅話，心中打叮咚，心東方是嘅簡單動，動心打到野洋動送。
And people that wear Bape have Bape as a personality trait. Like, I'm not even joking. But yeah, I don't really have too much else to say about Bape, so I'm just going to keep it moving. So our final brand we're going to be talking about is Dior. And if Dior is your favourite brand, then you've probably got Pop Smoke as your ringtone and probably your screensaver as well. And also, you most definitely practice this dance in your spare time. And if Dior is your favourite brand, there is a high chance that you own these pairs of shoes. But did you buy these shoes from Dior itself or your local market? Who knows, but that is a real question. And yes, if Dior is your favourite brand, there is a 110% chance you own this aftershave. But do you own this aftershave because you like it, or people said that they like it so you automatically like it in your brain without even you knowing, being influenced in your decision of buying this aftershave? You need to think about that. And also think about your whole entire existence, because if you have this aftershave, nah, to be fair, this is a nice smelling aftershave. I can't even like, fault you on that, but still, be your own person. Don't follow a trend, and yeah. And if Dior is your favourite brand and you buy someone like a present of Dior and you write in the card, I adore you, you have a green light just to get smacked in your face, because like that is the most cringiest shit I've ever seen in my life. But yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you did enjoy, and if you did enjoy, please leave a like, a comment, and also subscribe. And until next time, I'm out.